Hey there, I'm Brian Sweat, General Manager of Acctivate Inventory Software. We are all about helping businesses keep their shelves stocked and their customers smiling. Have you ever found yourself in panic mode when you're suddenly out of stock? It's not just an oops moment, it's a full-blown oh no when your customers can't get what they want. Today, we're diving deep into the world of inventory management to tackle the burning question: how do you calculate safety stock? Think of safety stock on standby when the unexpected strikes. Whether it's a shipping delay or an unexpected surge in demand, it's that secret stash that keeps your sales rolling and your customers singing your praises. But here's the kicker: how do you find that sweet spot without drowning in excess inventory and draining your bank account? Well, it's all about understanding the factors at play, from customer demand to market trends and everything in between. We're talking lead times, service levels, seasonal shifts, promotions, and yes, even global events. It's a delicate balancing act, ensuring you have enough on hand to meet demand without overstocking and tying up your cash flow. So let's crack the code on calculating safety stock. We'll start with the basics, a simple formula that'll give you that just-in-case cushion you need. Maximum daily usage times, maximum lead time, minus average daily usage times, average lead time. Plug in those numbers and boom, you've got your safety net sorted. But we're not stopping there. Advanced techniques and inventory software can take your safety stock game to the next level, aligning it perfectly with your goals and constraints. With real-time data and historical insights, you can fine-tune your safety stock levels with ease, saving time and minimizing errors. Are you ready to level up your stock game and keep those customers delighted? Head over to Acctivate.com for the full scoop. Because when it comes to inventory management, we've got you covered.